For the third day in a row, doctors across Nepal continue their strike, protesting against the politicization of the medical profession. They allege that teaching medical colleges are accredited without adequate facilities, which leads to graduates who do not have adequate training. Thousands of patients have been affected by this strike.
My aunt had to get her stitches cut. We came from Saptari. Kathmandu is an expensive place.
All non-emergency services have been cut off. This hospital alone would have seen around 3,000 patients every day. Doctors at this government hospital have been providing outpatient services for a couple of hours a day, but they have refused to do so inside the hospital. They say they are committed to their patients, but as long as the government does not meet their demands, their protest will continue. The person behind the strike is Dr. Govinda Kesi, who is known for his social work. Dr. Kesi is on hunger strike, demanding the resignation of Dr. Shashi Sharma, the newly appointed Dean of Institute of Medicine, the body that is responsible for handing out accreditation to medical colleges. Dr. Kesi began his fast on January the 10th.
His body is starving. We should all of us join hands and ask the government to do something. It cannot continue for long.
A quick calculation suggests that the annual income of all the private medical colleges from students is around $1.4 billion. Undergraduate doctors pay around $45,000 each. Graduate studies cost up to $135,000. Medical professionals say government inaction is due to corruption. We tried to contact Dr. Sharma, but his phones were turned off. Members of the Nepal Medical Association, the governing body of all doctors here, has threatened to resign en masse.
For 25 years, we are fighting to reform the health system in Nepal. This is now the boiling point.
200 doctors have already handed in their resignations. But as the saga of Nepal's medical industry unfolds, the man who's been fighting to save the profession, as well as thousands of patients, is starving himself to death. Subina, Shrestha, Jazeera, Kathmandu.